Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw PEPE from PEPE miner bot. It's pretty simple, just follow what I do, but before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do, once you open up the PEPE miner bot, you have multiple options here, but what interests you is the activity. You want to tap on activity, and then you're going to get the screen and just scroll down. Ignore the how much you have, the rush to buy. What interests you is this ROVX platform to sell and earn. So you want to tap on you want to tap on the ROVX button, and it's going to get you to this screen where you can sell and earn your PEPE coin. At the top left, it's showing you the currency from, like USDT to PEPE, or you can do any other currency. And if you like click on buy, then just it's going to tell you what you can do, how much you have, and etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.